Okay, let me share with you how it was the first of the 3 days of delivery. In one word, it was overwhelming. And the only reason it was not chaotic is because we had a few time to plan beforehand something that's extremely important, where each box should go to. I know it sounds a little bit obvious, and it actually is, but it can get a little bit messy if the place you are moving to does not have the same structure as the place that you are moving from, meaning the same amount of rooms and rooms in a similar size. For instance, our previous place had 5 areas that this one doesn't. A dining room, a family room, a large utility area with maid's bedroom and bathroom, a powder room, and a 3x4 storage room. Not only that, but most rooms in the new place are far smaller, such as my office, that here is less than half the size of that I had in the previous place. So whatever was boxed in those places would not find a similar place in here, and without proper planning, it would have been chaotic. I had to improvise a small area in the terrace so that we would have room to open boxes and maneuver things inside the apartment. And after the delivery was finished, I started opening myself those boxes and finding room for everything in them inside the apartment. It is part of the plan to reduce at least 1/4 of everything that we brought here, but this is going to be a much slower process. Right now, we simply want to secure that everything is properly stored or placed already in the right places. When moving, there are plenty of things that work far better if planned or done before delivery, and we will make a video about those later. But for now, take this note. Plan where the boxes should go to in the new place beforehand. It will spare you from a good amount of unnecessary stress. As always, thank you for joining us.